Welcome back, guys. I hope you are following, and by now you should be able to start doing something right. If there is any question regarding the previous videos, kindly type it in the comment section, and then I'll be able to assist you. Okay. Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the WordPress. Okay. So quickly, let's get started. So you come to Google and then you search for WordPress.org, not WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a different website. So you go to WordPress.org. So this is where you download the WordPress from. So you click on the Get WordPress. So this is the current version, version 6.1.1. You download. Okay, our WordPress is done downloading. So you locate where you have downloaded it to show in folder. Download. Okay, so here is it. So you extract it to WordPress, extract to the folder over here. Okay, so here is it. So after extracting it, we have what we call, you go and locate your XAMPP folder where you have installed your XAMPP. Okay, so you go to this PC and then you click on your local disk. Now you see the XAMPP installed over here. Click on it. You see another folder with name htdocs. This folder htdocs. Click on the htdoc. This is where you are going to put your WordPress installation on your website. Okay, so the WordPress that we have installed and then we extract it, you go back and then you rename it. This folder, you rename it to your website name. So let's just say Creative Web. You just copy everything from here or cut it from here, and then you paste it in the htdocs in the XAMPP folder htdocs over here. You paste it over here. Yeah, so it is here. Now you go back to your browser and then you type localhost /creative. Then you enter. Okay, I'm able to figure it out. Okay, so you just type localhost slash then the folder name, your website name, the folder that you created. I mean this folder over here. This folder name, Creative Web. Yeah, so this is, it's just 5-minute installation process. Okay, so you know the database name, your database username, database password, database host. We didn't add any password to the database. The only thing we have is the database name, which is here, Creative Web. Okay, so this is our database name. So this is what we are going to use. So you come back here, let's go. Enter our database name, which we set Creative Web. Or database username, you've not entered a username for a local, so you submit it. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, so the username should be root, and then the password, you leave your password like that. Enter your database name, the username should be root. Okay, yeah, so we are ready to go. So you run the installation now. Okay, so these are important for your site. You can name it whatever you want. So your site title, the name you want it to be for your website. Okay, so you can say Creative Web. Username. This is your admin username that you are going to log into your back end and then be able to do your stuff, to edit your website. Okay, so make sure these informations are kept, you keep them somewhere, right? So my username will be admin, and then the password, you make sure you add a strong password, but I can just do this. So this password is somehow okay, and I'll advise that you come back to your desktop and then you type this password somewhere. You can just come to new text document. So username, admin, password. This is the password over here. Save it, right? And then your email. You can add your email over here. So you can just say, then if you don't want search engines to index your website, you can tick this, but then don't tick it, because if you do that, that means Google is not going to find your website, right? So WordPress. Okay, so WordPress is being installed. You save it. Let me save my password over here. All right, so that is it. You now log in. Okay, so this is the password, and then that the username that we have added. So you log into your WordPress dashboard. Yeah, so this is your WordPress admin dashboard, your website backend. Okay, so let's just visit the website and then see. So this is your new blog. It's just, this is how your website will look like for the first time. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to customize this website, how the things over here, the tools that you will be using. These are all tools, and the dashboard, the details on the dashboard over here. I'm going to show you every details over here and how to use them. Okay, so stick and stay, and by this stage, I'm thanking you. I thank you very much for staying with me and reaching this stage with me. Okay, I'll encourage you that you share my videos, you encourage your friends to come to my YouTube channel to also learn something new. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.